Masala Chicken Karahi, prepared in the most authentic manner over smouldering charcoal on the Kamado Joe grill. The resulting flavors are nothing short of extraordinary. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Let's begin by igniting a chimney full of charcoal until it's ferociously hot. No gentle warmth here. Into a sturdy steel karahi or wok, pour half a cup of oil and bring it up to a lively high heat. Then, in goes one whole skinless chicken, cut into smaller bone-in pieces. At this early stage, we're not adding any spices. We just want to sear the chicken beautifully first, as adding spices now would risk burning them on such intense heat. As the chicken starts to take on a delicate golden hue, we build that unmistakable aroma by adding 2 tablespoons of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Fry this mixture with the chicken for about a minute. You'll immediately notice your kitchen come alive with that heady fragrance of fresh ginger and garlic sizzling away. Now for the star spices. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of danya jeera, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. There are many kinds of karahi, some gentle on spice, but this is proudly a masala karahi, rich, bold, and deeply flavorful. Let's fry these spices briefly with the chicken to properly bring them to life. Next, toss in 2 chopped green chillies for a welcome burst of heat, followed by a cup of halved cherry tomatoes. Their tender skins will soften quickly and melt into the sauce, lending a gentle sweetness and a glorious color. And here's where we had a little real-life moment. Cooking on charcoal proved just a touch too hot for Mum, so I stepped in to take over the rest of the cooking on the grill. Don't mind the long sleeves, it was a last-minute switch, but I usually do my best cooking over charcoal anyway. Back to the dish. After adding the tomatoes, we give it all a quick mix, then pop the lid on. After just 3 minutes, pour in a cup of water. Because we're using bone-in chicken, the steam helps it cook through properly. For the next 10 minutes, keep the lid on, lifting it every couple of minutes to stir gently and prevent anything from catching at the bottom. Especially important when cooking on such fierce heat. You'll know it's done when you see the oil rising beautifully to the top and the chicken cooked to perfection. The gravy should be just right, not too thick, not too thin. And the smoky aroma from the charcoal makes it truly irresistible. For that final flourish, scatter over a generous handful of fresh coriander, some extra chopped green chillies if you fancy a bit more kick, and delicate slithers of fresh ginger. These finishing touches add vibrancy both to the flavor and to the look of the dish. And there you have it, our Masala Chicken Karahi, looking absolutely stunning. Not bad at all if I may say so, for my first time cooking on camera over charcoal. I'm sure there'll be plenty more of these outdoor cooks this summer, especially while the weather's treating us kindly. A quick note, this version does sit on the spicier side, so if you'd like it milder, just reduce the number of green chilies. And yes, it can absolutely be made indoors on a hob over high heat if you prefer. Best enjoyed piping hot with naan, roti, or, as I'll be having today, a flaky paratha perfect for scooping up all that glorious sauce.